Hi guys, welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Today I will be showing you how I created these beautiful chinoiserie and patterned pumpkins that are going to be perfect for coming fall, and guys, they are so adorable. So we're going to jump right into how I created them now. So just going to use some pumpkins. If you have plastic, that would be great. And I had some leftover chinoiserie napkins. As you see, I had a lot of them. And you just want to separate them out. Now, if you don't have these, I can leave a link to these particular napkins in the description box below. Then you're going to grab some Mod Podge or Elmer's glue would be just fine, and a soft bristle brush. Now I'm going to go ahead and sort of cut mine into little strips and pieces to make it easier to apply. I'm going to go ahead and apply some Mod Podge into a small section, not the entire pumpkin, and then I will proceed to go ahead and lay on small pieces of the actual napkin that's been separated. Now when you do this, you want to be sort of gentle because you don't want to rip the napkin. After all, you separate it so it's one ply, and you just want to gently add on a little bit more Mod Podge on top and sort of get in those grooves and push it down a little bit, but not too hard so you won't rip it. And that's basically what you're going to be doing, is you're just going to be taking it section by section and just being a little bit gentle with the soft bristle brush. And that's all it is to it. You can choose any type of napkin, maybe florals or something a little bit more whimsical. And as you can see, it's already done. Now the bottom, I want the top to dry, so I will come back and fill that in later after the top dries. Now I'm going to grab another pumpkin. For this one, I'm going to basically do the same process, but instead of covering the entire pumpkin, I'm just going to do it in every other section of the pumpkin. And I'm just going to be trimming off those little pieces to make sure that it fits. That's not really bleeding, that's sort of blue paint that I was trying out. So ignore that. But yeah, I basically did the same process on the entire pumpkin and then trimmed off these side pieces or the pieces on the bottom. And then just put it to the side to dry. As you see, it looks adorable, and I'm going to leave this one just the way it is. And I thought I'd switch it up a little bit while I had those drying, and I grabbed some craft paint that would sort of in the same tone of blue. Craft paint dries quickly, so all I did was sort of do the same thing with every other section. For this one, it's going to be a little streaky, so I did have to go back and do 2 coats of this. But that's fine because I just, craft paint does dry fast. But I pulled out a fan because I was doing this on my lunch hour and I really wanted it to get dry so I can finish the project. So I have these all drying. For my last one, I'm sort of going to do a combination of both of those ideas. And first iteration, of course, I did the Mod Podge, and then the second one I came back in with the paint, and then I did 2 coats for both of them. After they dried, I just went back over them with a coating of Mod Podge, and as you can see, it looks amazing, and it gave it a really great seal. Now this is an example of how I styled it. I wanted it to be a little bit elegant. I did have a chinoiserie ginger jar and some really pretty navy blue salad plates. So I really love the way they look. And do you see how vibrant the colors are? The way they look like you can purchase these in a decor store or a craft store. I just absolutely love the way these turned out. And guys, just grabbing things in your home, I didn't have to pay or purchase any of this. It was all sitting around. And like I said, this is just an example of how you can style it, and I just love the way this turned out. So guys, I hope you try this also. There's so many great DIYs that I'm going to be having coming, and also decorating for the fall. So if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the bell twice if you do decide to subscribe, and I hope you do. Love you guys. I hope to see you in the next video, and I want to thank you all for watching.